Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Slides app and navigating to the slide you want to edit. Tap the text box to place the cursor, and drag the selection handles or double tap to highlight the exact text. Once done, make sure the floating toolbar appears above the keyboard. It contains quick formatting tools. If you only see the box and no toolbar, tap again or briefly tap outside then back, and so the app refreshes the selection state before moving to font size controls. You now change the size. Tap the format icon, the with lines, then choose text and size. Use the on-screen plus and minus buttons for incremental changes, or tap the number to type an exact value. As you adjust, the slide updates immediately so you can judge legibility and layout. Make sure to check both portrait and landscape orientations if your audience uses different devices, and if multiple text boxes need matching sizes. Repeat, or you finish by tapping outside the text box to commit changes. Google Slides autosaves, so there's no manual save. If resizing pushed content out of view, use undo or drag handles to reflow the text, and consider reducing line spacing or margins. If the format toolbar vanishes or size controls are unresponsive, close and reopen the app first. If that fails, clear cache or reinstall to restore missing UI elements. One quick troubleshooting tip: confirm you're on the latest app version before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.